This is Library Hacks, presented by the Oregon City Public Library. Filters are great tools to use when browsing for items on the online catalog. Today I will highlight how you can use these tools to help narrow your search results for easy browsing. Start by going to the online catalog at LINCC.org. Assuming you want to browse the collection rather than looking for a specific author or title, start by going to the top of the page and using the second drop-down menu to select Subject. Then type in a keyword such as mystery or humorous in the search bar. Then select Search. To the left, you will see a list of filters to help you narrow your results. If you only want to see materials that are currently available, click on the Only Show Available button at the top. Using Only Show Available filters out materials that currently have holds. Otherwise, you will see all materials that do and do not have copies available. Under the Library filter, you can narrow your results to only show what is available at a specific library. Next, select whether you are interested in a book or an electronic resource, such as a playaway. Other filters that are useful are the Fiction and Non-Fiction filter, as well as selecting an audience, such as an adult, child, or a young adult. The Subject filter is where you will have the opportunity to really narrow down your selection. To see more subjects, click the More button. Since my initial search was for mysteries, I can now use the Subject filter to narrow down what type of mystery I may be looking for, such as books that feature women detectives. I am now left with a list of 87 books to choose from. If that seems overwhelming, you can use the Publication Date filter to narrow down your choices, or browse the list of authors in the Author filter to the left. And that is how you can use filters to browse for materials using the online catalog. For the most up-to-date information about what's happening at the Oregon City Public Library, visit our website at orcity.org/library.